Hi guys, for today's video, manonood tayo ng Uninvited. RG.
Napanood ko na. So, are you looking for a good murder suspense Tagalog movie? Vilma Santos and Aga Mulak's Uninvited is a... sasabihin ko sa end ng video na to. Here are good points and bad points of this movie. Good point! Outfit of the actors, hot and sexy. Acting, it's alright, especially Miss Vilma Santos, super galing pa rin umarte. Nadine Lustre is fire. This movie has a real life lesson about certain people. Bad point, if you're watching TV, the plot of this movie is old news. Action scenes are okay, but I wanted more out of it. Some camera angles suck. Kung mahal mo si Miss Nadine Lustre, kulang ang kanyang screen time. And if you know John Wick, 6.5 out of 10 for me.